Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna draw a basic design using Design Frame, which is a program that I made, and I added some new tools that I'm gonna show you how they work. They are located below the PNG editor section, and that is shapes. Now you can draw squares, rectangles, triangles, and circles, or you can customize your own shape using the bezier tool, which I'm going to use today. So let's begin the tutorial. And I also added some uh, lines here that can help you guide yourself for your designs, so you can find the center of all the stuff that you draw. So the first thing we're gonna do is click on draw triangle. It is activated now. You can start drawing your triangle. We're gonna draw one like this, and of course we're gonna center this with these dotted lines. Now the next step will be to turn on the bezier tool, and we're gonna start drawing a shape here. We're gonna start up here and then here. Actually, we're gonna leave a space here because I'm gonna do like a little tip of a tail here. I'll show you what I mean. Then I'm gonna do this side and then this side here, and I'm gonna do the same, try to do the same distance. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just want to show you what this tool can do. The bezier tool, it's one of the best tools, even when you do it on other softwares like CorelDRAW. It is a very handy tool. So now that we have the shape, we can now remove the triangle and hide it. I still gotta add like an eraser tool so I can get rid of all the tools that I no longer need. Okay, so now I'm gonna do other sections here. So I'm gonna keep using these dotted lines. Maybe we can raise them here. Okay, yeah, there. Now what I'm gonna do is draw another section here. So I'm gonna turn on the bezier tool. I'm gonna start a dot here, and then here, and then here. You will see what this house would look like in a second. We're actually gonna turn this shape into a PNG, but first we're gonna make a copy, and first we're gonna of course get rid of this triangle, the biggest one. We're gonna move this here. Okay, now we can turn this lines, and let's download this. Okay, so now we can move this to the side and bring the main the base of the design, you can say. Now let's upload the triangle, the shape that we just designed, and make it kind of big. Not too big though, not too big. And we're gonna place this here, and then we're gonna clone this PNG. So I made a clone, and the original one we can do mirror. You see why? Okay, so that way we don't have to draw again. Now let's turn the little line, dotted line here to guide and make sure that they're at the same level, or align I should say. And there it is. Now let's turn it off, and now we can start adding our promotion or the name of the company. But first, I forgot one more detail. We're gonna draw the little windows, so we're gonna draw some basic squares here. We're gonna draw one here, and then another one here. Oops, forgot that you have to turn on the button again to draw, and then do the same on this side. And again, I don't know if I mentioned this, the reason why this tool is very important for me is because uh, when you draw using the shapes on design frame, the quality of the designs are much better than when you use other sources like other PNGs or designs that you find online. In my opinion, these are better resolution and they will work better for me. So, um, but I'll show you what I mean in other videos, the difference in quality when you draw in design frame using the tools that I just showed you. So there it is. Now we can start adding the promotion or the name of the company, which in this occasion, let me drag this down a little bit. Okay, because it is way too high. We're gonna move this here. I'm sorry if I have to do this because I'm going to add some wording here, the name of the company. So now let's go here and toggle the section and let's type in, I don't know what name should we call this. Let's call this math construction. And then we're gonna find a nice, well, we're gonna make it smaller, of course. We're gonna find a nice font. I like this one, it's very formal. And we're gonna drag this down here. Okay, we're gonna place it there, and now we can add the bottom section. We can actually draw like a line here. Let's actually do that. Okay, I don't know why that just moved, but okay, it's okay. We can place it back, no biggie. There we go. We can probably try to center this more. And I think that looks great. Okay, now let's type in other section below. We're gonna type in LLC. We're gonna do that and type in LLC. We're also gonna do the same text. Okay, we're gonna drag it down and find the center. There you have it. Now we can download this final. Actually, you know what? Let's draw some windows here because we still need some shapes here. We need the windows on the other side. Okay, I'm sorry if it keeps moving. Like I say, still gotta work on some stuff here to make the code better, or this program more better. But hey, you start somehow, right? Okay, so now let's drag these windows or squares to the sides because we don't want to leave the other rooms without any windows, and we're gonna make it smaller. So let's download now finally, and we can refresh this, and now we can go to special tools and find the shape trim tool. We can upload a background, and this time I'm gonna use a gold background because a lot of customers like this when it's on a back or dark background. So let's upload the shape that we just drew, make it big, and we're gonna make sure that it fits the frame perfectly. and move it around to find the perfect spot before taking a snapshot. And now let's see the final result. Let's upload this image that we just made with design frame. Make it big, and ta-da! This is the final result and how you can make designs using design frame. Well, my friends, this is it for this video. If you like it, make sure you hit the like, subscribe. I will be making more tutorials on how my program works. And if you are interested on using this program and you don't want to spend crazy money on softwares, you specify on certain designs, I have other videos on how I do like AI images, and then remove the background and use design frame to do like mockups and all that. You can do a lot of things, and you can now also save this image as a SVG file, and you can do other stuff. So yeah, thank you. I'll see you guys on the next video.